Hey guys, this video is brought to you by viewers like you and people that support our website codingphase.com. Go check it out. Over 20 courses in there that's gonna guide you to become a developer from the beginning to becoming a pro.
So what's good with you, Anna's on? What you working on, man?
Okay, so I'm still 18, and I'm interested in computer science, and exactly in the programming. I love code. Since I start coding, I start with the HTML, and my PC broke, and then I told the mom that I want to buy another one so I can start, and I'm like so excited and shit. So yeah, like that's it.
No, that's what's up, man. I mean, you just starting. That's how it is. That
Yeah.
when you start, man, you early stages right now. You know, listen, you start going in hard, man. Learn the basics, HTML, CSS. Hop onto that
Yeah.
JavaScript. You know, try out some jQuery. Then from there, jump onto a major framework, either Angular or React, and then you should be good, man. If you really want to become a web developer, now is the best time. It doesn't matter where you're from. It could
Yeah.
be anywhere in the world. You know, people are hiring every single day. Not only that, I was telling people, one of my cousins from DR, that in DR, like for them, they feel like they don't have that many opportunities. And then I was telling him, I was breaking it down, how I found a website out there where they're looking for people who are engineers, guys who are web developers, and they couldn't find it in Dominican Republic. They couldn't find like the the developers. So now they hiring. It's crazy. They're hiring um
Damn.
Indians and Pakistanis to go to Dominican Republic and work over there on the companies, because people are not studying computer science. They're not studying web development out there. And I was telling him, like, yo, bro, this is crazy. You're telling me that they have to import people from other places because people don't know that this is a career that they could actually choose. So it's like, I'm pretty sure even in your area in Morocco, you might go over there, and maybe, I don't know how's the tech scene out there, but you could, I'm pretty sure you could find a couple of businesses that might need your services. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So definitely keep going, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. So Tyler, how about you? What the hell you up to, man? Out there in
Uh,
Louisiana, what you working on? What you learning?
um, I'm charming. I've been probably learning maybe for like the past like 5 to 6 months in the web development community. The first programming language I learned was actually Java, and I used that for about 8 months working on little small projects, and now I decided to get into the web development community after I figured out that wasn't something I, Java wasn't something I wanted to actually do. So I got into the web development community, and I know HTML, CSS, I know Node and React, and I'm trying to pick up Angular also, but right now I'm trying to build up my portfolio. So when I go on Stack Overflow and Indeed, I can I will have a portfolio to actually show all of my projects. So
Mm-hmm.
my main goal right now is to at least build like four apps. I want to make like four applications with a front end and a back end to it, just so I have four applications I can put on my portfolio when I begin making my site, so I can start applying the jobs.
Okay. Look, the only thing that I would give you as an advice, because it seems like you already know exactly what to do. Um, Pretty much what I would say is, don't focus too much on getting 4 or 5 full stack application. Only get two of them, right?
All right, too.
Get two of them that you could show that, hey, I did the front end and the back end, right? Two different type of applications, and it has to be for businesses. All right. So hold on, I'm hearing like somebody. You gotta make sure you don't have me on a speaker. All right. So So yeah, Tyler. What I would say is basically build two applications. Then after you build two applications, front and back, also have like another three which are just the front end, right? Which is just different applications, like let's say for a restaurant, or like let's say a small business in your area. Build a website for them, right? You want to have real type of websites. You know, sometimes I feel like people put into their portfolio like little games, like we saw Rafael in the first half of the show for his portfolio review. We saw that he had a couple of applications, but it wasn't like really showing everything that he can do, right? And at the same time, to me, they didn't seem like small businesses. You get what I'm saying? Like you want to have websites that when people look at it, they'll be like, okay, this was done for this pizzeria, this was done for this e-commerce website, this was done for a real estate, this was done for taxi company. Like you want to do stuff that is for real businesses, so a business can trust you with their code. You know what I mean? Because a lot of times, how can you really show somebody uh you're prepared unless you show them like, hey man, I'm doing websites at a high caliber. You get what I'm saying? Like it's like I'm up here with the best of them. You know what I mean? So you want to show that to them. So that's my only advice that I would say. So don't focus too much on doing the back end on every single website. Just do three front end and then do two that are gonna be full stack, because doing full stack websites, full applications, they take a long time. So you could come here and say, I'm doing four different ones, and then next thing you know, that might take you 2 months. You get what I'm saying? And it's like instead of you spending all that time building those four applications, you might as well put that time at learning something and then start applying for jobs so you could get hired and get paid while you learning. You know what I mean? Like when you're a junior developer, nobody's expecting you to become like a master in 6 months, right? So automatically they're gonna give you the opening to come into a company, and at the same time know that hey, he might make some mistakes. He might come in and need some extra help. He needs a senior developer, but that's how you learn and you get paid at the same time as you learn. You get what I'm saying?